Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can create AI app within just few minutes using Project IDX. Gemini is AI workspace you can create from. So once you click here, you see new workspace where you provide name you would like to have your app and the environment. So you can create JavaScript or Python workspace, and once you create that workspace, it will look like this. It has main index HTML page where you have the prompt box, and right now the topic is recipe, which you can change application where it's making API call and returning the results. So once you have the project requirements, you can just modify here